Smart mates are a really great way to create concentric and coincident mates. Holding Alt while clicking and dragging on a face will initiate the Smart Mate command. Dragging a cylindrical face over another cylindrical face will create a concentric mate. Dragging a planar face onto another planar face will create a coincident mate. We can do that again to see it. A final type of mate that can be created using smart mates can be done by grabbing a circular edge, and when I do so, it will create a pin and hole mate. This creates a concentric and coincident mate.